Hello everyone, today we will do class 10th chapter 11th constructions exercise 11.1 question number 4. Construct an isosceles triangle whose base is 8 cm and altitude 4 cm and then another triangle whose sides are 1.5 times the corresponding sides of the isosceles triangle. Now first of all we have to construct an isosceles triangle whose base is 8 cm and altitude is 4 cm. Now let me first make the base, which is 8 cm. So this is the base 8 cm and the altitude is given to be 4 cm. Now remember, this is an isosceles triangle. The altitude also bisects the base. That means to draw altitude of 4 cm, we have to first draw the perpendicular bisector of this base BC. Let us draw the perpendicular bisector. So to draw perpendicular bisector, we have to open it more than half of BC. Now we will draw one arc here and one arc here. Similarly, from this, an arc and this arc. Right? So in this way, if you will join them like this, this is the perpendicular bisector of BC. Now perpendicular bisector means that it is perpendicular as well as bisecting BC. That means this angle is 90 degree. That means this is also the altitude. Now we will take 4 cm since altitude is given to be 4 cm. So we will take it equal to 4 cm, keep it here. So this point. So let this point be the vertex A. So we will join AB and AC. So now our triangle ABC is ready. Now we have to construct another triangle whose sides are 1.5 times. So here it is 1.5 times, which is equal to 1 multiplied by 2 is 2, 2 plus 1, 3. That means the given ratio is 3 by 2. So here we have to first of all see the greater of two number. So the number is 3. So we will first draw an acute angle CBX, that is any acute angle at B, and let this ray be BX. And now here we have to take 3 points since the greater of the two numbers is 3. So we will take 3 points here. So it will be like this from B point. This is the first point. This is the second point and this will be the third point. Okay. So the next one is we have to see the denominator. So here denominator is 2. So join the second point. So let the points are B1, B2, B3. So we have to join the second point with C. So the second point is this B2. We have to join this with C like this. And then we have to see the numerator, which is 3. Numerator is 3. So what we have to do, through third point, that is B3, we have to draw a line parallel to B2C. So we will make the corresponding angles equal. So this angle like this, and from here it is like this. We are making the corresponding angles equal. When the corresponding angles are equal, lines are parallel. So this we will make line parallel. So before that we will extend this, because this parallel line will meet extended line BC somewhere. So this line is parallel, see, So this point will be C dash. Now again you have to draw a line parallel to CA through C dash. So again we will make the equal angles at C and C dash. So this angle, and from this point like this. So from here it is, we are making equal angles like this at C and at C dash. And remember, this parallel line will intersect extended line BA. So we should first extend this BA. So let us see where it will intersect. So it will be like this. So this point is A dash. So A dash, B, C dash is the required triangle. So we will write this thing first. So we will write triangle A dash, B, C dash is required triangle. Now we have to write the justification part. So for that, C triangle, we have to take, so for justification, in triangle B, B3, C dash, B, B3, C dash, we have by BPT, basic proportionality theorem, this is parallel to this, see, in triangle B, B3, C dash, this is parallel to this. So therefore by basic proportionality theorem, we have B, B2 over B, B3 equals to BC over BC dash. Now BB2 means 2 steps and BB3 means 3 steps. So this is 2:3 is BC over BC dash. Now this implies that BC dash over BC is 3/2. So we will use this thing. Now again, see triangle ABC and A dash B C dash, they are similar triangle as their angle B is common and these two are equal. They are corresponding angles. So we have in triangle A dash B C, we will write triangle A dash B C dash is similar to triangle ABC by AA similarity. Therefore, their sides are proportional. So let us write the proportional sides. A dash B over AB, B C dash over BC, and A dash C dash over AC. Now see this ratio. This ratio is 3/2. So all the ratios are equal. So they are all equal to 3/2. That means the sides, corresponding sides of this new triangle are all 3/2 times the triangle's sides of the original triangle. Now we will see how to write steps of constructions here. So our first step will be draw triangle ABC, which is our original triangle. So the second step will be draw any ray BX making an acute angle with BC on the side opposite to vertex A. So we have drawn this BX, acute angle CBX, and this X point is on other side with A. That is, if this is BC, this is BC, A is on this side and X is on other side. Locate 3 points on BX so that they are all equal. So 3 points B1, B2, B3 such that B1 equals to B1, B2 equals to B2, B3. The next point will be through B, join B to C and draw a line through B3 parallel to B to C to intersect the extended line segment BC at C dash, and then we have to draw a line through C dash parallel to line CA to intersect the extended line BA at A dash, and then triangle A dash B C dash is the required triangle.